Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I'm going to go through an Etsy shop critique. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. For those of you that is your first time here, I go through these Etsy shop critiques every now and again so that I can help people drive more traffic to their stores, hopefully increasing sales and that ever elusive conversion rate by going through their branding, aesthetic, their shop as a whole, and then diving into two listings to look at their titles and tags. So not going to blabber on any longer. We're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to head on over to my computer screen and we'll go for it. Okay. So today I am going through DAndL Craft Shop. Okay. Dolores has had 208 sales, which is fantastic. She's been on Etsy since 2019, has a really nice banner up here, DAndL Craft Shop, fun and affordable printables, download, print, and enjoy. And with her logo down here, which is great. I love it. It looks like she has updated her shop announcement in October of 2020. And it looks like you do have some featured items here. Your shop sections are filled out. Your mock-ups are good. It definitely has enough contrast that you can see what is going on. The first thing I'm noticing when I'm scrolling through is you have some Schitt's Creek inspired files. So hopefully I don't see more of those, but unfortunately you don't want to do that. So I see some more here. You have Alexis and Johnny and Moira here, and some more Schitt's Creek stuff. I do recommend getting that off your shop, okay? Etsy does have people that go in and do sweeps, and anything that is inspired by or similar to will probably get taken down, and you do run the risk of getting your shop shut down. So anything that has a trademark or copyright, you do not want to mess with. And I know that's probably a little bit disconcerting because you have, quite a few listings up that have that. So I wouldn't take the risk. Okay. It's just not worth it. But you do have a lot of reviews here. This is a fantastic picture of the wall art that somebody had. It looks like they sublimated onto something. That looks really, really good. And again, it looks like you had some custom stuff here. Digital Star Wars inspired family picture. I do not recommend. These Stranger Things inspired, please do not do. Percy Jackson, Fantastic Beasts. I mean, this is all copyrighted stuff. So you just want to be careful with that, okay? You do have a nice little slideshow here of some of the stuff that... That's funny. So that's good. Yeah, I like that. You have your story filled out. You have information about yourself. And it looks like you do have your policies updated. You may want to consider including some FAQ in there about how digital downloads work as well. Okay, that might save you on some customer service space. But overall, good. I think your mock-ups really do exemplify what you're trying to sell, especially with the drop shadow here. It looks more realistic, and I always recommend people do that. So I went ahead and chose two listings that I'm going to go through. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. The first one I chose was this instant download here, I Love You More Than French Fries. And I really love French fries because, I mean, who doesn't love French fries? I know I do. It's my favorite food. You do have some samples here about what this would look like in a card. Okay. And that is an instant download. And how you can use a computer to download the files. Okay. Your title maybe needs a little bit more work. It's rare that I say that. It needs a little bit more. Usually people are on the other side of things where they're putting way too much in their titles. Yours is very, very simple, which isn't bad, but I would maybe change it up a little bit and write, I love you more than French fries, digital greeting card. Just change that wording. Or you could keep it as digital greeting card because that's what it is. I love you more than French fries. and maybe include something like it would be very good for Valentine's Day. So maybe just add like a tag, like a dash or a single line break, and put Valentine's Day greeting card or Valentine's Day card, just to add one more thing to the title, and then just be done with it. And then copy and paste that and put in the beginning of your description, which just looks like you've already done. So it looks like this is not customizable, and you can download the PDF and print as many as you require, okay? No physical item or envelope will be sent. Once folded, this is how much the card will be, and it all prints on an 8.5 by 11. Colors may vary. All sales are final. Personal use only. So that's pretty straightforward. I don't think you really need to add anything else to the description. So now, that being said, let's go and see what these tags look like. Digital greeting. Here we go. It's only had 6 views. I can kind of see why just by looking at the tags here. Your visibility score isn't bad, and it looks like you created this just recently. So you've had 7 views since you have listed it. You could up your quantity available only because it doesn't hurt for digital downloads. So yeah, your title may be too hard to read. Consider adding some punctuation to improve readability. I don't disagree with that. You could spread out digital greeting card and then I love you more than French fries. Your tags don't seem like they're horrible. You have Valentine's Day here. Printable is a waste. Birthday card, digital print, anniversary card, instant download, funny card, greeting card, French fries, card for husband, card for wife, adult humor. I like you. I like you. Okay. You might want to do something like more than French fries. I love French fries. Greeting card you could leave in there because that will tie into some of your other tags. Funny fries card. Add fries in there. Funny is good. I mean, I don't think these tags are bad. I don't think they're horrible. But they're all very high competition, so it's really going to be hard to be seen in all of the listings out there. So I don't need to go back in here. So let me just type in French fries, digital card, and see what pops up. There's 266 results. Oh, there you are right at the top. I don't know if that's because I've been looking at your listing, but what if I just do... French fries card, 732 results. Not too bad. And yours does come up on the beginning here. So maybe you got something going on that I'm not aware of, but your competition is very high. Somebody's going to have to really search for that specific keyword for you to be found. And French fries has a little bit of competition and it's being searched for, but maybe if I just do digital French fries, you get 577 results. And again, remember, Etsy has now contextual search, so yours probably or hopefully will pop up on this page here. Yes, it does. So I could try to do this in an incognito tab and see if it changes just because I've already looked at this listing. However, if people are looking for French fries digital or French fries card, you're more than likely going to pop up on that first page. So and you do set yourself apart from everybody else, so it's not a bad thing. I would not change much on this listing, okay? And it's new. It's a newer listing, so you have to give it time to work, right? All right, let's see here. This is a Christmas gift tag printable. So we're going to go back here. Christmas gift tag has had 31 views. One thing I've noticed is that you don't have your logo on any of these. You may want to consider putting your logo on some of your promotional images. That way, if people are pinning these or it's showing up in Google search results, they can go and find your store on Etsy, okay? The visibility score is about 44%, which isn't horrible. You created this in October of 2020. So it's been available for a while. Again, you set your quantity at 1, which I'm unsure of why, but Christmas gift tag, printable gift tag, Christmas digital gift tag, red vintage truck. So it's a little stuffy. I would just say Christmas gift tag, red vintage truck, printable gift tag, and be done with it. You don't have to have all this other crap in there. Copy and paste that, put at the beginning of your description. I presume that the description is going to be the same as the other one, so I'm just going to leave it as is. And you show them that you can print it on 8.5 paper, unlimited copies, print and use. So you're just kind of like filling up your picture space. You don't necessarily have to do that. If you fill out all of your photos, great. If not, you know, this does take extra time for you to add that box in. But if you're just showing the same thing over and over, unless you're showing it in physical form or in a different mannerism, it's really just a waste of your time, because it doesn't really give you that much of a boost in search results if you're using all 10 of your photos. That's more for physical products where you need to get like a lot of different angles. For us digital sellers, it's not as important because we're not competing with like 8,000 other makers that are trying to do this. Now, mind you, we are competing with a lot of people who are doing digital downloads, but I digress. You may want to consider getting some of these tags taken pictures of in real life and showing what it looks like. Okay, so again, you just want to shore that title up a little bit, and I'm just gonna do this. And again, all of your tags are high competition tags: printable, digital download, Christmas tree label, instant download, Merry Christmas, party decor gift tag, Christmas gift tag, holidays, vintage red truck, printable tag, festive. Okay, you repeat gift tag in here. You could just do printable tag and be done with printable. Digital download's not going to really give you much, because you can see these click-through rates are just horrendous. I would focus around the whole gift tag. Christmas gift tag is a good one. Vintage red truck, printable tag I would leave and get rid of printable. Festive gift tag, label I would get rid of. I don't know how party decor fits. I guess what I'm getting at is all of your tags are very high competition. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do Christmas gift tag red truck. Very specific here. 1,127 results. Yours pops up first. I don't know if this is because I'm doing Etsy's contextual search is so insane. So let me go to Etsy in an incognito window and do Christmas gift tag truck. No, yours comes up on the top here. That's good. How about just Christmas gift tag? We'll see how many are out there. 204 results. So digital Christmas gift tag, or how about printable? That's what people, printable Christmas gift tag. 50,000 results. It's going to be hard to get up on that first page, but it looks like you made quite a few sales on this, so maybe maybe you will. But I'm not seeing it. So printable Christmas gift tag truck. That's going to narrow it down to 565 results. And not on the first page this time. Okay. So you see how that varies. When I'm searching, it's going to show up right off the jump because I've already clicked on the listing. But when you go into an incognito tab, it kind of doesn't have any browsing history. So you can kind of get a better feel for where you're going to show up when people are entering search queries for other items. Gosh, I had a brain fart there. Okay. So overall, no, I think this is a good effort. You want to adjust the tags just a little bit and adjust that title just a little bit, and you should see some more traction going in. So overall, I think this is a really good effort. You have your shop filled out in its entirety. I would veer away from that trademark copyright issues. Anything that's trademark copyright, get down. Okay, don't add anything else to your shop that has any trademark or copyright. even if it's just inspiration, okay? People get takedowns for using colors of football teams and having like a Dallas Cowboys inspired whatever, if it has that blue and gray or silver, whatever it is. So just keep that in mind, okay? You may want to consider putting your logo on some of those promotional images. You don't have to create so many of those Etsy listing images if it's just going to be the same thing over and over with like a few little tweaks, because it's just a waste of your time. Really, it's just to showcase what that design looks like. If anything, I would print some out and then show people what that looks like in a physical form, okay? Descriptions are all good. Your price points are not bad. I don't think these are bad at all for digital downloads. You definitely haven't priced too low, so I appreciate that. A lot of the times I see people pricing ridiculously low, but yours is really at the sweet spot, okay? So I think just a little bit of tweaks to the tags to get some more specific keywords in there is going to help you, and then editing those titles just a little bit as well is really going to give you a boost. So if you have any questions about anything, feel free to give me a holler. You can drop a comment below, ask over in the Facebook group. So, I mean, if you haven't already, go ahead and join the Facebook group. We're creating a community of like-minded individuals who are looking to grow their income, semi-passive income with digital downloads. And if you're watching this and you got something out of this video, please go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. Like I said, if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.